Hey guys, back with another Tutorial Tuesday. You read the title, Easiest Way to Solve a Rubik's Cube. So I do have a Rubik's Cube here. It's not the best. The phone shows the colors pretty well on it. It's just a certain type of Rubik's Cube I got. But anyway, scramble it up. First of all, of course, you watch the video. You're trying to figure out, how do I solve it? Well, first step is, what you want to do is first you look around, This isn't very important, but it helps you do it right. You need to know that the blue side is always, the blue middle is always on the opposite side of the green side. So that'll help you out. And the blue side is always the opposite side, the yellow side. And of course, the orange side is always on the opposite side of the red side. So first step is you got the white side here, and then you look under. If you look under here and you see one of these edge pieces, and it's underneath right here, good. You can look at right here. It's an orange right here, so you want to turn it to find the orange, and once that is all coordinated up, oranges are here, you want to turn it 180 degrees, just like that. So now your cross should look like this. If it doesn't, that's fine. Next, you want to look around. Oh, one right here. So what I can do is look up here. There's nothing here, so I can go ahead and just turn this down. This is a green that's already solved. Okay, that looks weird on the camera, but yeah, it's green. So turn that up. Keep looking. Oh, we got one right here. So in the case that you have a white, instead of being here, it's here. What you can do is you look under. This is blue, so you want to turn it to find blue. Turn it 180 degrees. Flip the middle down, and to the right or the left, it doesn't matter. And then you flick it back up. So now if you look down here, that's now down on the yellow side. So we can just turn this blue to this blue, 180 degrees. And you can just go around until you've got all of that solved. So once you've got the white cross right here, because you've got all of these matched up, this, and this. Flip it over, so you got the white cross on the bottom. You can go ahead and look around. Okay, we got a white right here. So we're going to look at the two other pieces on the corner of the white. So we've got a blue and a red. Okay, so we're going to look down here at the middles. Want to coordinate it with here's a red, and here's a blue. So blue and red on these two sides, blue and red up here. So this is the hard part, all right? So look down, yep, that's there. All right, so you want to remember this algorithm, right? Even if you don't even, you don't have it set up, you just want to get this one algorithm memorized. All right, and the algorithm is up, right, down, left. All right. Shoot, did I do that right? Okay, hold on. Look around. Okay. That's a problem. Please hold. Okay, sorry, that should never happen. But anyway, look, so, you find it, green and orange. Line that up with the green and orange. You do this on bottom. You go up, right, down, left. And it's not there yet. It's right here. You want to go up, right, down, left. Still not there. It's up here. Up, right, down, left. Now it's here. Up, right, down, left. It's over here and up, right, down, left. Now that's in place. That's good. And this thing right here should also have this here. Same with this side. So now let's look around. Blue and orange. Same algorithm. Okay, now say that you have, find a good example here. So that you find one that's like either here or here. All you need to do is do the algorithm up, right, down, left, and it goes up, and now you can figure out what corners you need to do. All right, so once you're done with that, your cube should look just like this. So you just got this here. So you basically have the first layer. You just have this and all of this, plus this here too. The next step is getting the second layer. And this might be one of the easiest ones, I don't know, besides getting this. So you look around and you look for an edge piece up here that doesn't have yellow on it. So this one, nope, not this one, not this one. So this one will work. So you look here, all right, it's already lined up with its green color right here. And then you look on top, it's a red, so you look to both sides. This one is red, this one is orange. So people get confused on this part. Instead of turning it to its red side, you want to turn it in the opposite direction to the orange side. So now that that's over here, you want to learn another thing. It's the opposite of the right algorithm. It's the left up, left down, right. Now this should be right here. So you turn it to the right, so it's the right side now. Up, right, down, left. So now if you look, these edges now line up. All right, so you do that, look around. Oh, all of these are yellow. So you look around. This one right here, this is an edge. This can be used because there's no yellow here. So let's go ahead and pull it out by doing up, right, down, left. And then do the same thing. Up, left, down, right. So that just put a random piece into here. So now if we look around, here it is. Just line that up. And yeah. So once you get every single of the edges lined up, so it should, you now have the entire second layer and the bottom one all together. What you want to do is you want to look around on the top. Okay. At this point, you can kind of just fiddle with it if it's basically just the top middle piece and no edges here. So what you can do is you find edge right here like this or this, not the top, but this or this, and you turn it to the right side and you do the right algorithm. Up, left, right, down, left. Okay. That made this kind of L on the top. So you just want to turn it, and if there's one here, then that's good. You turn it to the right. Now that you've got the L here, just do the right algorithm, up, right, down, left. Okay, if you got this like bar kind of thing, you want to look. Okay, so of course this is still here, and the bar is here. So you turn it right, and go up, right, down, left. All right, now you've got this kind of half plus. If you turn it back to the left, now you've got the plus here. And of course you still got this stuff. So next you look around, you try and line this stuff up. Okay, this is all lined up except for the corner, but that's fine. This is lined up. Okay, so if these two are lined up, that's good. So we can just turn it to the next one to the left that's not lined up. These two are lined up. So then you want to do this algorithm. Up, right, down, right, up, left, or left, left. And then you just put it down. Now if you look, you just turn it around a little bit. This all lines up, makes a straight line. Say that you have one here, and you also have one right here that match. When you do it on either wrong one here or here, so then you do the up, right, down, right, up, left, left algorithm, and that would give you two matching ones here, and then you could do what I just showed you. All right, next is essentially the final step. So say you had a side like this. If you just immediately found a all matching side, that's great. All right. So then if you found an all matching side, then you would do this algorithm, all right? So you take left part of the matching side, you do right, up, left, up. Then you do right, down, left, down. So then you might get an algorithm, or not an algorithm, but a, okay, none of these match right now. So then you do the same algorithm, right, up, right, down, left, down. Okay, so if I pointed to this corner and said it matched, you might disagree with me, but the reason is the blue here can also match with the blue here, and the red here matches with the red here, and the yellow matches with the yellow. So technically, this side matches, and this side matches too, and this one does. So once all of them match in that way, you want to flip it upside down, and this is the most important step because you're almost done solving it. You want to, and don't twist corners. That's not good, guys. You can't just do this and be like, oh, I solved it. That's cheating. All right, so all of these sides are solved, but in the case that's not, it's fine. Just find the best one. So I wouldn't do it here and then just solve it from there. I want to do it from here because you'll see. All right, so you just start and you just do the right algorithm. And now that's here. The yellow is down here. And next, this is very important. You can't just turn the cube, all right? You want to turn the bottom. All right? That's very important. If you don't just turn the bottom, you can mess the whole thing up. Next, you just do the right algorithm until it's down here. Now, if you look up here, it's practically solved. You can just turn it, and it's solved. And that's it for today's Tutorial Tuesday. Went a lot longer than I thought it would, but we got it done. All right. Goodbye.